Welcome to this technical guide on the MSI Tiger. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your MSI Tiger won't turn on, it can be quite frustrating. This issue often arises due to a faulty power supply or motherboard failure. Ignoring this problem can lead to further damage, leaving your device unusable. So, let's get started on diagnosing and repairing it. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger for safely opening the device, an anti-static wrist strap to prevent electrical damage, and a replacement power supply or motherboard if necessary. First, ensure your device is completely powered off and unplugged. Place it on a soft, static-free surface. Using the Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the back panel. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back cover. Be cautious not to apply too much force, as this could damage the casing or internal components. Now that you have access to the internals, locate the power supply unit. This is typically a rectangular component connected to the motherboard. If you notice any burnt areas or unusual smells around this component, it may need replacing. To remove it, disconnect the cables carefully by pulling them straight out without yanking. Next, you'll need to remove the screws securing the power supply in place. Make a note of where each screw belongs, as they may differ in size. If you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the screws are out, gently lift the power supply out of its compartment. Take your replacement part and place it in the same position, securing it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they fit snugly in their designated ports. Now, it's time to put everything back together. Carefully align the back cover and press it down until it snaps into place. Replace all screws you initially removed, making sure they are tight but not overly so, to avoid stripping the threads. Finally, plug your MSI Tiger back in and press the power button. If all went well, your device should turn on successfully. To prevent this issue from reoccurring, ensure your device is always used on a stable surface and avoid overloading it with excessive software or hardware demands. Regular maintenance and cleaning can also help keep your MSI Tiger in good working order. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.